Today we are going to discuss about files and folder. Now, file, what is file? File is the basic unit of storage and it can be in any form of document, image, audio and video. So, for saving any file, we have to follow these some steps, right? Now, let me give you an practical example for saving any type of file. Example, if I want to save an image, so save image as now tiger. We have to give name tiger. Now on desktop, I want my file will be saved on desktop. So we have to choose desktop for that, right? So desktop on desktop. This is a type of file. This is a JPEG type of file, right? Image. Save. This is one of the example of file saving, right? If we take another option, so now this is MS Word, right? If you want it, your file will be saved in MS Word. So you have to take a first file, then blank document, right? On blank document, if I'm writing my name here, right? So then we will go on file, save and save as option. There is two options, right? So for save option, if I want to save my file, so save option will be used. If I want to if I want my file, if I want to change the location of my file, so we have to use save as option, right? Save this PC now KK, right? And on desktop, you can save anywhere your file, right? Save. And this is shown here, right? This is the KK file and this is tiger image. This is the image type of file and this is a document type of file, right? Two more are there. One is document, one is document. And one is image, right? And audio, video are the common types of file. Now we are moving on next slide, folder. So what is folder? Basically, folder is a collection of different types of files, right? Folder is a place where all files are stored at one place. So these are the following steps for creating any folder. Let me show you. Now, if I want to create a folder here and I want to save these two files in it. So just right click on the mouse, new, and there is an option folder. When I clicked on folder, the folder appear here, right? So my folder name will be document. No. File, my folder name will be document, right? So, and if I open this folder, this is our folder. Now, if I want that these two documents will be in this folder, so I have to copy these two folders. See, there is a lots of option. This is for copy, this is for cut, this is for rename, this is for share, and this is for delete option, right? So we have to copy this and here we have to paste this. So again, we will right click on the mouse and there is an option paste, right? If you want to use shortcut, then Ctrl+V is the shortcut for pasting any file, document, audio, video, right? paste. So class, this is our two files here. Okay, one is in the document form and one is in the image form. This is the steps while we are taking for saving any folder or for create any folder, right? Now we will move on next slide, folder. So now file extensions. So what do you mean by file extensions? File extensions are used to identify the type of file basically. As we discussed that there are so many types of file we stored like document, PPT, text, PDF, JPG, XCE, right? So basically file extension, what is the work of file extension? The work of file extension is used to identify the types of file that we are saving in the document, right? So we have a different types of file extension. First is text, second is PPT, PPTX, third is document or DOCX, third is .xe, fourth is .mp4. This extension is used for video, right? MP3 is extension used for song. JPG and JPEG is used for image. PDF file, as you all know, text file. You also know about text file, right? PPT and PPTX, right? So we are moving on next slide. Document or doc file. Example, if I'm saving any file on MS Word, so my file will be saved in document form, right? This is a DOC. So .doc is the previously version for saving any document file or any MS Word file, and .docx docs. Currently, we are using this. As you see in updated Windows, there is a .docx extension, right? This extension is used for Microsoft PowerPoint document files. Okay, MS PowerPoint, as you all know, recently I had created this new saving file. New saving format is .doc and old saving format is .docs, right? Now .ppt or .pptx, what is the difference in both of them? So PPT is for saving new format and .pptx is older format, right? So class, let me give you one example. If I want to convert my Word file into PPT, so right, this is the simple tools. Online PDF tools are there. Different types of tools are there where we can merge, split, compress PDF to Word, right? So here only we have to convert our Word file into PDF form. So select Word file. Example, on desktop, Kriti Soni. This is the Word file. The form of this file is Word file. Now open, convert to PDF. Right? Now download PDF. Kriti Soni. Right? So if I'm clicking here, this is my PDF form. Right? This is my PDF form. Now, if I will go in downloads, there is there is one file, name is Kriti Soni, right? On this time, it is created and the size also described, right? And date and time and size also. And what is the format of this PPT? Properties, Yes, C class .pdf is the format of this file. So we can save our file in PDF form also, right? Now, moving on, next, PPT or PPTX, yes. PPT done, PPTX, PDF done. Now, I'm showing you about PPT or .pptx, right? So, example, if I'm opening here, PowerPoint presentation. Take blank presentation. Right? Files, example, files and folder, right? If I have created only this slide, so if I want to save this, save, same process are there, save and save options are there, save, desktop, saved, right? So here you will see the properties of this file is in the .pptx, and .pptx is a newer version, right? .ppt is our older version. So moving on next, moving on next, ppt and pptx done, pdf text done. Now jpg and jpeg. This extension is used for image file, right? So image file, example, we have recently downloaded this tiger image from Google, right? So if I'll show you this property of this, see class jpg.jpg. There is a file extension .jpg. This is a image file extension form. Okay, our image found in two extensions. First is .jpg and second is .jpeg. Yes. So we are moving on next slide. .xe, mp3 and mp4. So class .exe, this extension is used for executable files that contain some instructions to be followed by computer. And let me give you some examples of exe, mp3 and mp4, right? This extension is used for audio file and mp3, and mp4 is extension is used for video file. So now let me give you one example. If I am opening Google, right? Google. Now in history, I have recently downloaded. Oh, English not. Okay. Only I am showing you the format or property of that file, how it looks, right? So properties. So class, this is a exe file. Basically, this extension is used for executable files. exe means executable file, right? So this is the simple format of .xt extension. Now, next, I am giving you the example of audio file or any song, audio song, download. Okay, class, let me show you in my laptop only the format of that audio video files. Documents, Zoom. So class, there is a two file. One is video and one is audio. This is right. One is video and one is audio. This is a M4A. Okay, no problem. This is a file downloaded by Zoom. So the format of audio file from Zoom is .m4a, but the real extension used for audio file is MP3 and for video file is MP4. As you see here, the properties here, and MP4 is used for file extension, right? These two files are downloaded by Zoom, right? Now, if I am downloading any song, Hare Krishna song download, right? Now, if I'm clicking on this, if I'm downloading this Hanuman Chalisa, plus download, and this is the file, MP3 file, right? See class, MP3 file downloaded, and if I'm opening this, be patient, I'm showing you this file, music, no, downloads, right? See class, this file we have recently downloaded, properties. Here you will know MP3 file. Yes, this is MP3 file, and this extension is used for audio file, right? So one more thing, uh, if I want to delete this folder, so what step we will be take for deleting this folder or deleting this file or any of the file which is present in any form? So simply right click on that, and there is a delete option, right? Delete option. If I clicked on delete, it will be deleted, right? So this is the simple explanation about files and folder. Okay, thank you.